and welcome to my kitchen. Today I thought I would do a little bit of a different video. My husband and I are going to be doing like a little cooking date night in, and we thought we would bring you guys along. This date night would be perfect for those who are on a budget, or maybe you've just been running around all week and you want a relaxing, quiet night in. So tonight we are taking off to France in the comfort of our home, that is. We are cooking a French dinner tonight, so we have croque monsieur with a side of green bean casserole, and my husband is going to be whipping up some homemade French macaroons. I'm so excited because those are my favorite dessert ever. So if you guys want to see how this day goes, then continue watching. Pause for a second. Starting off with the French macaroons. Mise en place, meaning everything in its place. I'm going to start with the croque monsieur. My husband is going to be doing the green bean casserole, and I just love this meal so much. I first heard about croque monsieur when watching the movie It's Complicated with Meryl Streep and Alec Baldwin. It's such a good movie. If you guys have not seen it yet, you should totally check it out. But Meryl Streep's character made croque monsieur in the movie, and I was like, what is that? It looks so good. Pretty much just like a glorified grilled cheese with ham. Here we go! So starting off with the croque monsieur, I am melting the butter on medium heat, and then we are going to be slowly adding in 2 tablespoons of flour, whisking it together. That is going to be the start of the bechamel sauce that goes on top of the sandwiches, which is so good. So that's what I'm doing first. Dinner is over. It was so delicious. We are both completely stuffed like a massive burrito. Oh my goodness. So good. Now we're just finishing up the French macaroons. My husband is making a s'mores flavored French macaroon, so I'm excited to try it. My hubby just whipped up some frosting. It does smell like a marshmallow. Waiting to do the taste test. So we got our s'mores French macaroon that my husband made. I got a little mini one. He's got a full moon size. All right, we ready? That's good. I love French macaroons. This calls for a celebration dance. Ready? Thank you guys so much for joining us for our date night in. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you guys want to see more trendy videos from me, then don't forget to click that subscribe button. We hope you guys have a magical day, and I will see you next time. Bye!